Melting ice in the polar regions can end up in the oceans, which adds to global sea level rise. And this will impact not just us here in Wales, but millions of people worldwide, including major coastal cities such as New York, Mumbai and Tokyo. Antarctica is surrounded by floating ice shelves that act to hold back the ice that's on the land, preventing too much ending up in the ocean. My research focuses on changes in the atmosphere that can lead to huge lakes forming on the surface of these ice shelves. We think that these lakes make the ice shelves more susceptible to sudden collapse, such as the Larsen B ice shelf, which collapsed in 2002, leading to the loss of an area of ice about twice the size of Greater London. I carry out computer simulations of these lakes forming. This uses a combination of maths and physics put into computer code, but also measurements taken from satellites and from scientists in the field. If we can find out how and where these lakes are forming, we can work out which ice shelves might be most at risk of sudden collapse, which allows us to plan for the inevitable global sea level rise that will follow. Although this isn't something we can stop once it's started, we can prevent further ice melt by taking action on our emissions now.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.